हेलो एवरीवन। तो आज आप जो देख रहे होंगे कि हमने वॉरेन बफेट का लेटर नहीं दिया डिस्कस करने के लिए। हम एक छोटा किसी और शेयर के बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। इट्स लाइक कार्ड टेक कंपनी का नाम है। हम क्यों डिस्कस कर रहे हैं शेयर एंड हम क्या डिस्कस करेंगे, लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेल इन द सेंस, लाइक आई विल नॉट गो टू थिंग्स कि कंपनी क्या करती है। हम सबको पता है कंपनी क्या करती है, उसका बिजनेस मॉडल क्या है। दे आर इनटू सेकेंड ऑनलाइन कार मार्केट प्लेस काइंड ऑफ, जहाँ पे आप जाके कार्स के रिव्यूज चेक कर सकते हैं। अपने कार अगर आपकी सेकेंड हैंड कार है तो उसको लिस्ट कर सकते हैं, राइट। और अगर आप डीलर हैं तो आप वहाँ पे खुद को लिस्ट कर सकते हो। ऑल दोज थिंग्स दे डू। आई बिलीव मोस्ट ऑफ अस would have uh, sometime in our like day-to-day life would have interacted with the company. Why we are discussing this company? Because लास्ट लगभग एक साल में कंपनी का शेयर प्राइस जो है वो डबल हो चुका है, मोर देन डबल। इट हैज बीन लाइक अपने जो ऑल टाइम लोज थे कंपनी के, और जो आईपीओ प्राइस था वहां से अभी भी हाफ है। तो इट मे बी लाइक कुछ तो कंपनी ने किया होगा कि कंपनी का शेयर प्राइस डबल हो गया। And so I'll just try to explain it in the next few slides. Right. So it will be also very brief video, like not very long. So what has happened here? So कंपनी का जो रेवेन्यू है वो ग्रो किया है लास्ट एक साल में 52%। और जो पैट है, पैट इज लाइक प्रॉफिट आफ्टर टैक्स, इट हैज ग्रोन 43%। स्टॉक, जैसे कि मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बताया, स्टॉक जो है वो 100% से ज़्यादा ग्रो कर किया है लास्ट एक साल में। नाउ these figures are very impressive. When I saw it, like स्क्रीनर में जाके जब मैंने देखा लास्ट 1 ईयर के जो नंबर्स हैं, 52% numbers, revenue grew 52% and PAT grew 43%, and I was like, this company is like amazing. Wow. It's like, okay, it was in my uh, it was in my like tracking list. And then when I got time, I got the detail into the details, and I was like, okay, let's just start reading the presentation. So I'll just share a brief of that. So this is the company's presentation that company has shared. So what this says is like company's revenue year on year basis, it has grown uh, 37%. It says like तो ईयर ऑन ईयर बेसिस पे कंपनी का रेवेन्यू है वो 37%। प्रीवियस नंबर्स ऑन क्वार्टर जो Q4 2024 को अगर आप कंपेयर करेंगे Q4 2023 से, जैसे कि यहाँ पे दिया है, राइट। दैट्स व्हाट वी टॉक्ड अबाउट 52%। तो नंबर ऑन दैट साइड वाज Q4 ईयर 52% एंड 40 आई बिलीव 43% बैड। लेकिन आप ईयर ऑन ईयर बेसिस पे देखेंगे तो 37% जो है का रेवेन्यू ऑन अ कंसोलिडेटेड बेसिस में ग्रो किया है। जो ये कंसोलिडेटेड रिजल्ट्स हैं यहाँ पर। सो द रेवेन्यू ग्रू फ्रॉम 357 crores to 489 crores, right? The- this is something to notice here, which I feel like 489 crores आपका revenue है, वो 489.9 can say is like 490 crores from 357 crores, right? Like 133 crores आपका revenue जो है ग्रो हुआ है लास्ट एक साल में। मतलब ओके, बट एंड एक क्वार्टर में आपका कितना ग्रो हुआ है? इट्स लाइक काफी 52% ग्रो हुआ है। लाइक ऐसा लगेगा कि लास्ट क्वार्टर में तो बहुत अच्छी ग्रोथ आ रही है। सो इट्स लाइक 145 crores इस क्वार्टर का है आपका रेवेन्यू, एंड लास्ट क्वार्टर में था, लाइक लास्ट क्वार्टर सेम टाइम था आपका 138 crores, right? So these are missing something here. Um, yeah, 138 crores here quarter on quarter. Oh, sorry, this is from December quarter. 95 crores. 95 crores last quarter 2023. It has grown to 145 crores. Right? So which is like 42%, 52% increase. Right? Very, very impressive numbers. Like, right, 37% year-on-year growth. And if you compare Q4 2020. 2024 with Q4 2023, 52% growth, right? So very impressive numbers. I was like, okay, from where the growth is coming, right? Uh, the problem with this company, with which I found, is like when I came to the next slide of the presentation. What was the next slide? Next slide said, uh, out of that particular revenue that has grown like 95 crores to 145 crores, which is approximately 50 crores that grew from here to here, right? March 2023 to March 2024. Out of that, 44 crores has come from OLX itself. So the actual increase is not 52%. The actual increase in the revenue is only 5%, right? Also, if I see, uh, they are reporting like 37% growth in their year-on-year revenue. That revenue out of that, uh, like 490 crores, and in the March quarter 2024, right? 490 crores they have done on a yearly basis, which is an increase of approximately 133 crores from the last year, full year revenue. Out of that 133 crores, if I see 130 crores have come from OLX only, right? OLX only. So how much they have grown? Like 5 crores and they grew in one quarter. So 520 crores only they have grown their revenue, right? So this is something which I found, like companies overall revenue like hardly going 5 or 6% if I exclude the numbers from OLX, right? So that's a growth which is like, I'm sure I didn't want to go after this into the numbers. Um, I went and I read the con call there, and as expected, in the con call also, a lot of analysts asked the management about how you think OLX will grow, because they spent some 500 crores in acquiring the OLX, and because the existing business is not growing on a consolidated business. So there are a lot of expectations that OLX, if OLX revenue will grow, then OLX will pull this up. But unfortunately, what I found during the con call, the man was giving a lot of English. Someone asked about what is the target addressable market, or TAM, and management was like, the TAM is unlimited. What is unlimited? Yeah, there's always a number, right? We are not saying that everything has a number. How many billion of dollars, or is it trillions of dollars? What is unlimited? Nothing is unlimited here. Give us a number. What do you think? This is the TAM, target addressable market, right? How much of it is already being taken by you? How much do you think you can increase your market share? What are your strategies to increase the market share? But I didn't find a concrete plan there. What I found was total English, English, and English in the con call. So I believe, before you jump to final conclusion of yours into buying or selling this share, you should go check these numbers once. Check the con call, specifically the new business, the OLX one, how they're going, what are their plans to increase the business. That will help you definitely in uh, making a final, in reaching to a final decision. But this was my point, right? And the point was like, आपको बताना कि कोई भी अगर हम बिजनेस पे देख रहे हैं, तो जो भी मैनेजमेंट बोल रहा है, कोई भी चीज़ फेस वैल्यू में नहीं लेनी। सॉरी, बिकॉज मैनेजमेंट में से हम तो कुछ भी कर लेंगे। हम तो वी आर लाइक नेक्स्ट एनवीडिया ही बन जाने वाले हैं, हम तो टेस्ला ही बनने वाले हैं, व्हाटएवर दे में से, फेस वैल्यू में नहीं लेनी है बातें. देयर इज अ स्टोरी एंड देयर आर नंबर्स एंड द नंबर्स इन स्टोरी शुड मैच समवेयर. और जब आपको बिल्कुल पता नहीं होता कि मेरी स्टोरी और मेरे नंबर्स क्या हैं, देन यू से द थिंग इज लाइक द डैम इज अनलिमिटेड. This is nothing like that, those things like, right? So I have the stock has run quite a bit from the last year. It's trading approximately, I believe, like 800, 850 rupees around. And uh, before you buy or sell, as I already mentioned, just check these numbers. And कोई भी दूसरी कंपनी पे अगर आप एनालाइज कर रहे हैं तो यू कैन जस्ट सी दीज थिंग्स कि अगर रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ हुई है तो रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ के क्या क्या ड्राइवर्स हैं, क्या वो रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ ऑर्गेनिक है या वो रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ इनऑर्गेनिक है. just go to the results, just go to the presentation. These are the easiest things जो आप कर सकते हो करने के लिए, right? So that you don't fall on some of those traps, right? So maybe I can share also how I can check one. Just give me 1 second. Uh, so I was just looking at the price of this. So this is car because this is greener, and I was just car trade. This is a car trade I just saw. So 780, sorry, the price is 780, not 800. Go to card screener, go to just put the card rate, go to the bottom, and here you can find the PPT, the latest quarter PPT, that PPT before that quarter. And these are the transcripts of the con call. Now, the good feature about a screener is they give the notes also. So if you just click on the notes, you can just see what was the it will give you a brief about what was discussed in the con call also, right? So it also says like, see, they have OLX was discussed so much that when even the AI when they made the notes, they have given a separate heading adding to OLX, right? So there are also like significant growth potential in OLX, also a story they want to say, right? So this is something which you can check here. See, 20% revenue growth with, on a standalone basis. Then they have other businesses which you combined. If then the overall growth, excluding OLX, was 5 to 6% for business, right? So which is I believe is not something I'm not interested in. Right? And apart from that, if you see, the stock is also not cheaply available. It's like 62, 63% PE. They're like trading at 62 PE. And when the growth is not there, and I believe next year, when the full year OLX financials will be included, and if the company keep on growing at 5 to 6%, this price is going to collapse from here. That's what my assumption is. If price doesn't even collapse, I don't believe that there's much potential to grow from here. That's what my belief is. I may be wrong, but I don't think I wouldn't be interested to buy this business at these levels with this much of growth. But I believe they are losing market share to other players in the industry. Yeah. So thank you everyone. Thanks. Please like, share, comment, and maybe you can put your comments if you want to know something else, or you want to include me something, or you want to exclude something from my presentation. Right. Thank you. Thanks a lot.